storm total accumulations to generally 18 to 24 across the north here, and you get down into Charlottesville and points out generally 10 to 18 inches for the final storm accumulation. Storm Team 29 live tripled out the radar, clearly showing you the back edge of that snow line now working across the Blue Ridge. Even though you don't see anything across the Shenandoah Valley, Nelson County, doesn't mean it's not snowing there. It's just so light now. Radar has a tough time picking up on it, but still clearly you go east of 29, you get into green, certainly Orange County here, Madison, Culpeper County. That snow still coming down at a pretty good clip, rates 1 to maybe as high as 2 inches per hour, especially across Culpeper County right now, so obviously still going to see some additional accumulation in those spots. Folks are getting walloped here in the D.C. area right now. This may become the biggest snowstorm ever for Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. The Jersey Shore seeing blizzard conditions across this area right now. Clearly, that's really the main swath of snow now that continues to slowly push to our east. We had that batch back to the west earlier, and yeah, it's obviously thinning out now as we continue.
Wow, he sure is hungry.
Slowly continue. Coastal low bottoming out, becoming a big-time nor'easter, continues to slowly push away from our area, and this upper-level low continues to swing on through, and that will allow snows to gradually start to taper off. As we get into the evening hours, I think it's pretty much all done with now, and skies look to clear out after the midnight hour. Back to mostly sunny skies tomorrow as high pressure builds on in. Temperature's not going to warm up anytime soon, though, so the melting trend will be a slow process. You can see we keep a lot of sunshine around going on into Monday, but temperature's really not getting much above the freezing mark for highs. And for today,